So every time I went to Europe or United States, or I went to antique shops, and to find maybe some small, reminders from that period. And one time I got into Czech in Czechoslovakia. It was in Czechoslovakia, an antique store, and I went into the antique store and I asked, of course, if you have maybe if you have small things, maybe from wartime, and he said, yes. You know what I have? I have a yellow star from wartime, and I was so excited. I never saw a yellow star. I said, what? You have a yellow star? Can I see it? And he said yes, and he went to this hidden door, and he took the yellow star and he showed it to me. He said, look, it's a yellow star. And I looked at it and I said, and how much does it cost? And he said, it costs $200. And I said, wow, it costs $200. And I didn't buy it. And then I came to Israel. Then I went back to Israel and I went to my grandfather and I told him the story that I saw a yellow star. It was the first time that I saw a yellow star. And I said, but he wanted $200. And my grandfather looked at me, $200? Really? That is interesting, because I got it for free. So you can understand that my grandfather, even though the horrors that he went through, he wasn't in the dark. No, he always found the humor in everything. He was witty. Everything that you knew that if he is starting a story, it will end in humor, in something witty, clever, very, very, very clever.